Hey everybody, I want to say this is my unboxing video of Jeffreestar Cosmetics, and I got in the mini winter mystery box, I think it was called. Here it is, and let's see what's in it. Kind of nervous to see what it is. Ooh, I got the good stuff. I got this lip scrub. Yeah. By Jeffreestar Cosmetics. The Shane Dawson Jeffreestar lipstick. I know that's a cuss word, but it's a liquid lipstick and stuff. Not only that, but I got the lip gloss and beaded glass. And the flavor of this lip scrub by Jeffreestar Cosmetics is watermelon gum or something like that. And that's my bag of nail polish in bed and stuff, so excuse that. So, yeah. And this is like the package. Ooh! Jeffreestar! Look at him! So iconic! Yeah. And excuse the word that says on here. But yeah, it's like a nail card and stuff. I feel like I got in a PR package, but not really. In the box that came in it and stuff. Yeah. So I hope you like, subscribe, and comment to my YouTube channel. And all that stuff. So, see you later. Deuces.